We're making flourless, eggless keto choc chip cookies. Let's go! As I said, these cookies are flourless. The main ingredient is actually almond butter. And today we are using chia seeds as a substitute for egg. Now, these cookies are actually 5 days old. I've been doing a test and I've stored them in the fridge for 5 days and they are as fresh as the day I baked it. Now, I know traditionally you're not supposed to store cookies in the fridge, but they are keto, so I just wanted to err on the safe side. Now with all my recipes, the nutritional information and your shopping list is listed in the description box, and let's get straight into the recipe now. First up, let me show you how to make a vegan egg. This tip is handy if you're out of eggs or you're saving the eggs for something else, not just if you're a vegan. And you can use this tip with any recipe requiring eggs. For this recipe, we need half an egg, so I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chia seeds to 3 teaspoons of water. Give it a stir and let it rest for 10 minutes, and then you will get a jelly-like consistency. Right, while the chia seeds are resting, let's get the rest of the ingredients ready. I'm using almond butter, but of course use whichever nut butter or seed butter you have on hand. Be sure to mix your butter first. With natural organic, you will probably have the oil separated and sitting on top of the butter, and you want the butter getting into your ingredients rather than just the oil. So do mix it first, and then add a half a cup to a bowl. A quarter cup of granulated sweetener, a quarter cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. The Lily's brand is great if you're in the United States, and if you're in Australia, I highly recommend PB Co brand. They have 0 carb chocolate chips and they are so good. Then half a teaspoon of baking powder and a half teaspoon of vanilla, and lastly your chia egg. Mix until fully combined. Oil your hands and roll the batter into 9 balls, and they're about 1 inch in size. Place onto a lined baking sheet, then flatten them out, and I just use my fingers going in a circular motion. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Let them cool completely because they will be very soft. Now with some of my cookies, some of the chocolate chips didn't show through the surface. So you can see like they're perfectly placed. While they were hot and soft, I just put some extra sugar-free chocolate chips on top, and when it cooled down, it was actually, look, it's great, it's fine. So if that bothers you, that's what you can do. I hope you get to try this fun recipe and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.
And that's a wrap. Ooh.